Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Si Richard Anda po ito, Negosyanteng Marino. So ngayon po, i-share ko naman po sa inyo yung audiobook ni Robert Kiyosaki. Ito pong tinatawag na The Business of the 21st Century. Ito po yung network marketing. So, ang network marketing pala daw po is not much in selling. Ito po is about building relationship. Para pong kung sa Tagalog, chismis, pasapasa, pero yung pinapasa po hindi chismis, totoong nangyayari, o ito yung mga learning, mga matututunan natin sa mga upline natin, o yung pasapasa dun sa mga nalalaman ng mga tao, tulad ko, ba't may natutunan ako, ipapasa ko sa iba, yun po ang tinatawag na network marketing. So, alam naman po natin na karamihan sa mga Pinoy takot sumali sa multi-level marketing sa Philippine MLM. Yung madami pong kumpanya na matatago yung malalaking kumpanya. Ako po meron pong sinalihan din ng multi-level marketing, product na digital product po. Hindi kasi lang po, hindi po ako pwedeng sumali sa mga multi-level marketing na may mga product na tulad mga kape, mga food supplement, or yung mga pagpapayat, pagpapaganda. At hindi ko po pwedeng ibenta yun dito kasi bit-biting ko pa, ma-excess baggage ako kung magdadala ko ng mga ganong produkto. So, yun po, madami nga pong multi-level Philippine MLM business sa atin tulad ng M Global, kilala niyo naman yan, JC Premier, meron pang Optimax, meron pang First Base Plus, meron pang Front Row, ano pa ba? Basta po marami yan, nagkalat yan sa Facebook, nagkalat yan sa internet, nababasa nyo yan. Pumili lang po kayo doon kung ano po yung, meron pang Uno, naano ko ng Uno. Pumili lang po kayo at kung ano yung saswak sa inyo, kung sasali kayo. Ang the best po dyan, pag-aralan nyo muna bago kayo sumali. Pag-aralan yung system nila para pag pumasok kayo, may i-share din kayo sa iba. Yun nga sabi, not much selling, it's about building relationship. So, kung may alam na kayo dun sa company or meron na kayong i-share sa iba para makagawa kayo network, go po, sali po kayo. So, yun lang. At i-play ko na po itong mahaba na yung aking i-play ko na po itong The Business of Century. 21st Century. Okay po, ito na po. I-play na.
What is network marketing? The concept is simple. Today, companies spend millions and billions of dollars advertising. So what network marketing does, instead of spending all of that money on television, radio, print, and the web, they pass that money on to you. So network marketing is very simply the best form of marketing is word of mouth, viral marketing, friends helping friends type of marketing. And so that's where the profits are generated from. Rather than giving it to the big ad agencies or the media companies, you pass it on to yourselves and your friends. That's the concept of network marketing. Network marketing is not so much about selling, it's about building a network of people. It's about building an asset for you and your family. So an important value of network marketing, it's real-world business education. Now, I'm fortunate enough to be invited to many colleges and universities and speak to entrepreneurs. The problem with them is they're not really prepared for the real world. Most of them will still leave school and hope to find a job. The beauty of network marketing, moving from the E and the S side to the right side of the quadrant, first of all, requires a change in mindset. That mindset is exactly opposite of E's and S's. And that's the tough part. Once you see, oh my God, I don't need a steady paycheck, I don't need to work hard for myself, then your mind starts to shift. Then it requires learning new skills. It's not necessarily easy. Some people it's easier than others. But you have to learn to have money and people work for you rather than you work for money and other people. And it's a very different mindset. It means you have to become a leader. It's also called business education. A network marketing business is a great way to get real-world business education. I would listen to the person who shared this audio with you and then go with this person to a meeting. You know, you have to ask, are these people really concerned about me and my welfare? See, corporate America, or most big corporations, are not interested in you. They're interested in making money for their shareholders, not employees. So you have to ask yourself, are the leaders really concerned about me? And in most cases, I think you'll find the answer is yes. You see, in network marketing, your leader cannot be successful unless you're successful, which is completely opposite of corporate America. In corporate America, when I worked for Xerox, if I didn't perform, I was fired. I mean, I came close to being fired for 2 to 3 years. I was always on the bottom. And they would have fired me. But the beauty of network marketing is they want to pull you up. As long as you're willing to show up and go through their training programs, they'll work with you. They won't fire you. They'll give you time to develop, to become the person you are. And then after you're successful, then your job is to assist other people to do the same thing. You cannot be successful unless you help other people. It's a fabulous form of business. It is a humane way of doing business. It's really about meeting people heart to heart, soul to soul, business to business. Let's help each other out. And that's one of the beauties of network marketing. It's real world, but it's people helping people become the best they are.
Yun po, narinig na ninyo yung audio book ni Robert Kiyosaki tungkol nga po sa network marketing. So, sana may natutunan kayo dun sa sinabi niya. Sana huwag kayong matakot o huwag kayong magka-allergy o sa network marketing. Ang kailangan lang nyo talaga po, pumili ng isang kumpanya na matatag at yung siguradong maganda na hindi kayo may scam. Siguraduhin nyo na hindi scam yung sasalihan nyo sa MLM o yung multi-level marketing. So, ang sunod naman pong video, ito pong kay Miss Sharon Cuneta at saka kay Francisco Colayco, yung may audience nagtanong kung ano po ba yung tinatawag, kung maganda ba raw yung networking business. Yun pong tanong nung babae na audience, kung ang magandang araw po yung network marketing business. Ang network marketing business daw po is hindi business. Ito po yung system. So, i-play ko na po yung sunod na video para malinawan kayo. Ito na po.
Itatanong ko lang po sana kung maganda po bang pasukan ng isang networking business.
Networking.
Opo.
Depende.
Networking, hindi business.
Hindi po
Networking is a distribution system.
siya. Okay.
System ng marketing yan, hindi
Opo.
negosyo ang network.
Hindi.
Ginagawa lang nilang sistema yan, pagbenta ng produkto, gumagamit sila ng networking system.
Ito ba yung pyramid na
Pag kumikita ka dyan, hindi sa produkto, kundi sa pag-recruit, pyramid yan. Wala kang binibenta. Pag ang produkto mo binibentang maayos at hindi available sa iba, pwede. Dapat naman, yung produkto ginagawa ng maayos na kumpanya at tama, may kapital dapat yung company behind.
kasi may matino naman talaga
Merong
network
matino.
na. Pero paano mo malalaman kung scam?
Pag ang hinihingan ka ng entry fee na ang kapalit, hindi ano tawag doon?
Parang hindi pantay dun sa
Hindi
binigay
pantay
mong
yung
pera.
binigay mong pera, higit na higit na sa makukuha mong produkto,
Opo.
may kalokohan na yun.
So, yun lang po muna. At sana may natutunan kayo dun sa video na sinama ko dito. Yung pong kabuuan ng video yun, mapapanood nyo lang po sa YouTube. I-type nyo lang po sa YouTube yung kay Robert Kiyosaki tsaka po yung kay Sharon Cuneta, yung sekreto ng mga mayaman. Mapapanood nyo po yung buong video na yun. Kinat ko lang po, alam mo naman yung mga Pinoy, tamad manood ng mahaba. So, sinare ko lang po sa inyo yung mga bagay na mga magaganda kong natututunan sa mga panonood ng YouTube tsaka pagbabasa sa internet. So, yun lang muna po. Maraming po salamat sa inyong panahon at saka time. Si Richard Anda po ito, ang negosyo ng Team Marino. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.